I saw people today that were excited about working. They didn't look like they were just going through the whole humdrum of the day, but they were actually enjoying what they were doing.
I haven't been in a manufacturing facility where I've seen so many smiling faces.
Any other factory, they hire you, they don't teach you, they throw you on the line. I couldn't call this a factory. I call this a family.
The Jackson facility has sent some of their new hires here to the Dixie facility in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
We wanted them to come be a part of the operation, be able to tour the facility, meet the people, see the equipment.
We have an opportunity to start a facility up from the beginning as a principle-based management culture.
A lot of people come into jobs almost blinded, not knowing what to expect.
Today was an opportunity to actually give a chance to figure out, where does Myra fit in the whole scheme? And then it also gave some light on, does it really take all that to make a plate? And it does.
The bigger opportunity here is to really start to build their culture. And I think they will have an opportunity to see how that is applied directly to the manufacturing process. They can see it in real action.
For them to come in here and see that there are opportunities, ways for them to grow. And if everyone is growing and everyone is doing things together and doing it the same way, then you become a family.
Looking at the culture of what they've created here, it makes me have a different perspective completely. And I'm just excited. I am.
This visit kind of brings it all to life, bringing the people, process, and equipment together in a way that kind of shows what their future could look like.
We're going to find a way, one way or another, to create long-term success, and that's what I feel it has been done here especially.
When you say people-centric, everybody says that. They talk it, but they don't walk it. At Dixie, it's what they live, it's what they breathe. It's why they're going to be where they're going to be for a long time to come.